To recap, five major roadblocks which prevent us from arriving at effective solutions through collaborative efforts are impulsive reactions, misdiagnosing the problem, man with a hammer syndrome, ego, and groupthink. The study of these roadblocks throws light on the characteristics of a good collaborative effort to facilitate better decisions. Let's see what those characteristics are. The first characteristic relates to the participation from the entire group. The collaborative settings should enable and encourage everyone to participate and contribute. After all, we have brought this group together for a reason. Second, the discussions must dig deep into and examine the problem and solutions from various aspects. Are our assumptions correct? What kind of risks we might face with a certain decision? How do we feel about what we want to do? Unless we examine the problems and decisions from multiple angles, we might miss out on something important, and the decisions might not turn out to be what we expected them to be. Such multidimensional analysis will help us identify and differentiate between symptoms and root causes. This will help us ensure that we are not wasting our efforts unnecessarily. The fourth characteristic of better collaborative efforts is that it tries to apply a diverse set of principles, experiences, and viewpoints to the problem and possible solutions. We talked about diversity earlier and how it helps better decisions. Diverse thinking will help us avoid roadblocks like the man with the hammer syndrome and lead us to better decisions. Finally, we must encourage participants to think out of the box and come up with creative ways of solving the problem. For this, we need to have an open mind and ensure that we are not rejecting or eliminating ideas before they are given due thought, no matter how strange or impractical those ideas may sound at first. With this, we have completed our first segment in this class. Let's head to the next segment where we talk about six thinking hats and how to use them.